Welcome to Subramani. I normally don't request this, but please watch this video to the end so that you know whether this is a sarcastic video or humor video or whatever. So the most important thing is the market fell by 930 points. The Sensex fell by 930 points and the Nifty fell by 300 points, which is approximately 1.30 and 1.41% of their respective indices. Is it a big number? Well, 900 is not a big number when you see the context is 72,000. But tomorrow in the newspapers you will see words like market crashed, market tumbled, market fell, and a lot of people will give you a lot of reasons. So before they give the reasons, here are some of the reasons which I heard in the market, and believe me, I had not even logged into the market yesterday because I was doing something else, and later on I found this truth about the Indian market having crashed, tumbled, fallen, whatever words you want to use, whatever verbs you want to use. So the truth is it fell by 1.31 and 1.41 and 1.30%, down from the new high of 72,000. 930 points, like I said, and it was a surprise bear attack. The abrupt shift in the market sentiment took participants by surprise. Market means market should not surprise. Market should only keep going up. That's what it looks like from what people are saying. And this at a time when the Nikkei was up 1.5%, FTSE was up by 1%, US bond yields fell significantly, and Brent oil prices remained at $80. Now the question is, how can the market fall? What are the valuation parameters? What are the experts and all saying? So here is one person, I will not name any of them, who said there is hardly any margin left at all in the market, so therefore people must have taken some profits. His guess is as good as mine, right? Would people take profits? Would all of them take profits on the same day? We don't know, but obviously somebody is buying and somebody is selling. And this market fall could be made up next month with the SIP's inflow. We are not very far away, right? We are already on the 20th of the month, 21st of the month, so we are not very far away from the SIP money to hit, right? So will it make it up? I don't know. I leave that to the experts. And saying there are hardly any margins left in some pockets, right, of mid and small caps. Which is true. A few days ago I had put in a video saying how to be prepared for the market crash. Maybe you should go and see that again. The question is how should you be prepared? That is more important than saying what happened. Market crashed, market tanked, market fell, market got wiped out. Tomorrow you will also see headlines saying Adani's market cap wiped out by 2,000 crores or Ambani market cap wiped out by 2,000 crores or something like that. Now what all this does is it scares you into believing, oh, I bought this share for 100 rupees and it has reached 160, now it has fallen to 140, why not sell? At least let me book my profits. That's exactly what people should not do, right? What are the other reasons? Oh, rising COVID sub-variant, what is called JN1, right? So that's another news item which was there last week also. So that's the reason why people are selling. Great, but last time during COVID you saw market fell and recovered. So will the market fall and recover? I don't know. I don't even know why it fell. I'm just telling you what some experts are saying why the market fell. One of the reasons is the COVID variant has come, and that is also going to hit you. Then there is of course the easiest thing to say is geopolitical reasons. There is problem in Pakistan, there is problem in Bangladesh, problem in Sri Lanka, US interest rates have not yet gone down. Hey, it just went down. Sorry, I have decided it has not gone down, so that's not enough. There are problem, India is having geopolitical problem with Canada, right? Pannu is still there, so that could be another reason. Historical data shows that positive periods are followed by corrections or consolidation. So that is what is happening. One very big and fantastic research organization, HDFC Security, says don't have to worry, the market will recover in 2024. Really. SEBI says brokers should not do research, or rather brokers should not be advised service, right? So if you are an MFD, you're not supposed to say this fund will do well or that fund will do well. If you're a broker, you're only supposed to execute. Now execution only brokers also have research teams which say, oh, don't worry, the market will recover. What else are you expected to say if you're a broker? Beat me, I don't really know. Then historical patterns show that this market had to fall. Wow, that's a fantastic thing to say, right? Historical patterns show that market had to fall, that the declines of the first 10 days of December will pay for an upward 10 days. Don't have to worry. This will be followed by a period of consolidation throughout the rest of December. It had already happened, and to the beginning of March, it will go. So history repeats itself. He anticipates a decline through the remainder of December, succeeded by a phase of consolidation in January. So you don't have to worry. So people will come out with theories saying, oh, when the FIIs go on chutti for Christmas, they don't like to keep a position, so they sell off. So this is a regular market feature. It's a pre-Christmas fall. I don't know, I'm just enumerating the reasons for you. So analysts caution that the market cap to GDP ratio, that is the Buffett indicator, indicates potential overvaluation. Indian markets are overvalued, so don't buy. Really, because all the IPOs are getting valued at 70% premium and 80% premium. So where is the weakness in the Indian market? I don't know. People are putting so much money into these IPOs, and they're giving a fantastic exit to the private equity investors. I love the Indian public. They really love the venture capitalists and private equity players, and they give them fantastic exits. So congratulations. Then there is technical analysis saying that the recent trend in the decline in the Nifty is the first substantial downturn following the 7 weeks of upward movement. This might potentially lead to further drops. However, he cautioned against concluding that the upward trend is completely diminished. He is expecting January to be the market to be up. He reiterated the preference for index measures and recommended the accumulation of high quality stocks. Well, fantastic, which means you should go and buy HDFC Bank and TCS, because that is what all mutual funds will do. Then in December stands 11 IPOs and numerous SME IPOs vying for attention, and they all went through with huge premium. Now these SME IPOs is a huge fraud, but SEBI will wake up after the size of that fraud becomes 1 lakh crores. So we still have time. I don't think we have reached that figure, or we are reaching that figure slowly. So if you are reaching a fraud figure slowly, like a frog being cooked, nobody takes care, don't worry. The Reserve Bank recently announced stricter guidelines for banks and NBFCs using the alternative AIF to prolong their loans. Well, that's another reason why the market fell. Believe me, I'm amused by the reasons which people have given. Now tomorrow you will find analysis, or today rather, you will find analysis of what percentage fell because of what, why the monsoon is not likely to be normal next year. People will find all kind of reasons. I have no clue why the market fell. So let me be truthful. The market fell 1% or 1.3, 1.4% on the Nifty and the Sensex, and I have no clue why it fell. But there are many experts who have a reason to tell you why it fell. There are people who will tell you, don't worry, this is a temporary fall pre-Christmas and the market will recover in January. And somebody else will tell you that, oh, the market is going to boom because we are sure that Mr. Modi is coming back. And therefore till March, I expect the announcement for election to be in March. So elections should be over and properly announced in April, May, June. Sometime in June, pre-monsoon, there will be a new government in place and a new budget in place. So till then the market is going to boom. Whatever you want to hear, you decide, and then you decide where you want to go and hear this. But on my YouTube channel, the only thing you're going to hear is I have no clue why the market fell 900 points, and I have no clue whether it will recover this 900 first or lose another 2000, 3000 and then go and recover everything maybe in 2025 or 2026 or maybe in January 2024. I don't have an idea. So that's why I requested to watch that video till the end, so that you know that I'm just spoofing about why the market fell. But please go and watch my video saying how you should be prepared for a fall. If the market falls, what you should do, that you have to be prepared. Is this fall temporary? Is it permanent? Is it the start? Is it the end? I have absolutely no clue. But I can tell you one thing. Suddenly there will be a bunch of YouTubers who will create videos on why Subra, it's easy to say, Subra is the worst fund manager and he's got a pathetic track record. He's got the last 8 years, out of which last 6 months he's performed so poorly that I think you should remove all the money from Subra PMS and put it somewhere else. You will get these videos, and these videos will have more hits than what videos I get. So I can also do. I was just wondering whether I should name a fund manager and say why his performance is so abysmal. I'll get more hits, but have no brains to do such a research and analysis, right? So I do all that for myself. I don't do it, put it in the public place. So this is more a fun video. I have no clue why the market fell. Neither do any of these people, but they have to make a living by talking about it. Journalists have to write about it, and journalists need comments. Luckily they are not calling me. They don't know that they don't know. They have not yet found out that I don't know anything about the markets. So thank you.